Hey guys, if you really want to make money, first you have to learn and then earn. So watch till the end. Alright, so let me show you how to register in OneXBet. So first you have to download the app and then install it. And then open the app. You will see this type of interface. Click the registration. As you can see here, there are multiple ways to register. So you should click full. You click the full. Here you can enter your title, and then you can type here your name, your real name. And then here you can select your country. Select your state, and then here you can select your down district. Here you can write your date of birth, choose the year, and then choose the month, and choose the date, and then click OK. And then here you can select your currency. You can type it here, your email, and then you can type your phone number, and then create your own password. So you can type any. Add some character and add some number also, and here you should type the same password that you have created. This should be same. Alright, so this is very important. Don't forget to enter the promo code, which is in the link, and also you can see in the screen. If you apply the promo code, you will get 120% depositing bonus. And if you don't, you won't get it, so don't miss it. Apply the promo code here. It is all in capital. Alright, so after that, click the sports. It's already selected. You click all the terms and conditions. After marking all the terms and conditions, you click the green button, which you can see down below. And then click another robot. Alright, so read the caption, and it says click all the bicycle that you see. So click the bicycle. Alright, so until it's known, you can verify it. Click send code. Alright, so after that you will receive OTP. Enter the OTP, and then it will direct to the app. Today I will teach you how to place a bid in OneXBet. So watch till the end. Alright, so as you can see here, there are different sports categories, so you choose your preferred sports. Alright, so let's go for football. Alright, so these are the live matches going on around the world in different countries. Alright, so you select any one of this. Alright, you can choose anyone. You can be able to place a bid. Alright, and then let's click sports. If you click on sports, you can be able to see different football leagues around the globe. Alright, so let's go for England, and then let's click England Premier League. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, so tonight at 9 p.m. there's a match between Fulham vs Liverpool. Alright, so as you can see here, W1 is Fulham, which is on the left side, and W2 is Liverpool, which is on the right side. So let's click it. Alright, so if you think that Liverpool will win, you click on W2, right, and then make a bet. Say for example, if you bet with 5,000, then your winning amount will be 8,580. right. So and if you think that Fulham will win, all right, so if you make a bid with select 7,000, right, then your winning amount will be 32,725, right. So you can also check their previous matches. Alright, touch your finger on the screen and swipe to the left. Alright, and then click expand, and then you can see their previous matches. Alright, you can analyze from here. Alright, so and then you can make a bid. Alright, it's very simple, right? This is a single bet. Alright, so if you want multi-bid, then let me show you. Alright, so click your preferred team, alright, and then click add to bid slip. Alright, so I've choose one, then let's go back and choose other matches. Alright, so I will choose anyone just to show you. Alright, so I can choose from here. Alright, so by clicking stream, alright, on the top, you can able to watch the live. Alright, you can able to watch the live matches. Alright, so choose the team, alright, and then click add to bet slip, and then let's add one more. Alright, okay, I will choose anyone. Alright, so I will choose a cricket match. Alright, tonight there's a match between Kings 11 Punjab versus Gujarat Titans. Alright, so let's click that. Alright, and let's choose, we'll choose Gujarat Titans. Alright, so let's click add the bet slip. Alright, I've already added 3 matches on bet slip, so let's click on bet slip. As you can see in the bottom, click bet slip and then click bid. Alright, so type the amount 8,000. Alright, so if my prediction is right, the winning amount will be 72,857.93 rupees. Alright, okay, then click bid. Alright guys, I hope you have learned how to make a bid in 1xBet. Today I will show you how to deposit in 1xBet. First, open the 1xBet app, and then you will see this type of interface, as you can see on the top left corner. So you click the plus icon. So there are multiple options here for depositing, so you can apply from anyone. Alright, you can apply from Google Pay, Phone Pay, BTM. If you're using cryptocurrency and you have a wallet, you can deposit through cryptocurrency, because the transaction is very fast. Alright, let me show you how to withdraw. Alright, as you can see in the right bottom, click the menu on the top right corner, click the setting sign, and then click withdraw, and then there are multiple options. Alright, you can withdraw from anyone. So if you have deposited through UPI or any other banking system, you should apply the same for withdrawal. Alright, and if you have deposited through crypto wallet, you should apply from same. To download the app and get registered in 1xBet, you can check the description. I've given the link, or you can open up the browser and type www.1xbet.com. It will automatically direct to the page, and there you can able to download the app. First, install the app and open the app, and then click registration and fill all the necessary. And this is very important, don't forget to put the promo code. If you apply the promo code, you will get up to 120% bonus on your first deposit, so don't miss it. So you can check the promo code in the description, and also you can see on the screen. Alright guys, that's for today. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.